Rescue. Sorry, today I'm kind of messing up my words. And if you collect them all, you can build the war machine. I'm not sure if you can see my head or not, like this, but yeah. So today we are going to unbox the Marvel's Legend, and I kind of unboxed it before I did the video, and so today I'm going to unbox it again. So, oh my, it's ripping. Oh my. Sorry about that. So sorry about that. And yeah. Find it. Let me find it. There we go. So yeah. Let's rip this box open. There. And as you can see, it's you can make the Hulk, and it comes with that thing, which I'm not really sure what it is, and it comes with her. Now let's get to unboxing. We now got the backpack out. As you can see, it has a little thing for the back. We are now going to take let me just say it real quick. And here is the Marvel's Rescue, as you can see. Let's check out the back. Yeah, there's that. And now we are taking out the chest of Hulk. As you can see, nice and green. Hairy too. And we are also getting out the other backpack that it came with, as you can see. And I think this is from the Avengers, the Endgame. If anyone's seen that, comment down below. And yeah. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below. And subscribe. As you can see, you can have that. And just put this up real quick. I'll just put it right there. Just a minute. And I'll get it on. Just get it on. There. And here it is with the backpack on. As you can see now. Come on, get it off. Alrighty? Now with the other backpack. And this is the backpack, the other one, which is closed. And today we went fishing. That's the backpack on her. And yeah. Head twists, arms bend. Body moves, legs move, bend up and down, feet move. Here we go. And alrighty. So, the characters you can collect is War Machine, the one I have, and Cherie, and Rock Python, Union Jack, Belta Ray. Can you please tell me who Belta Ray is? Because I am not sure what Belta Ray is. And there is a Loki, as you can see. It's all the characters you can collect. And that's the characters you can make. And, yeah. So, I know this is going to be short, but, yeah. So, yes, bye.